Shlok 36 of chapter 1. Janardan, O Mukteshwar, the one who is worshipped by human beings. Ka pritih naha syat nihatya dhartarashtran. What happiness will be obtained by killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? Asman ev ashrayat papam. We will just accumulate sin. Hatva etan attayina. By killing these tyrants. Janardan ka pritih naha syat nihatya dhartarashtran. Asman ev ashrayat papam, hatva etan attayina. Interpretation. O Mukteshwar, that is the one who is especially worshipped in the end of the kalpa, for liberation from sorrow by human beings, who cry out in distress. What special happiness will be obtained even by killing the Kauravas who caw, that is the sons of Dhritarashtra, the capitalist of democracy. In fact, we will just accumulate sin by killing these tyrants, who are ignorant and have a childlike intellect, from their life and property. Because it is said, the elders are supposed to forgive and the youngsters are supposed to make mistakes.